Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. If you're new, thanks for joining in. I make videos on food and travel, and if you like that kind of content, hit that subscribe button to follow for more. And in today's journey, we are going to see Osaka Castle. And before that, let's get some breakfast from, of course, Lawson. This is one of the convenience stores which you can find in every corner and get anything or everything from here, especially some nice hot food, which we enjoyed while sitting in front of this view. And then decided to walk to see the Osaka Castle. There is a train ride as well, but there was a long queue, so we did not wait for that. But if you're interested, if you are not able to walk all the way, they have a train ride as well, which takes you around. So yeah, you can do that. And let's go see Osaka Castle. If you are going to see Osaka Castle, make sure you're wearing good comfy shoes because it is a lot of walking. Definitely recommended. You get to see such beautiful views. One in front of you. I'm checking. Oh no, they just built in 1583, Osaka Castle was the center of power for the mighty Toyotomi clan. It was a strategic fortress that played a pivotal role in Japan's unification under the Tokugawa shogunate. The castle's impressive architecture and grandeur reflect the power and wealth of the time. It's a stunning example of Japanese castle architecture, with its imposing stone walls, moat, and towering main keep. The castle was rebuilt in 1623 after being destroyed in the siege of Osaka. It stands as a testament to Japan's feudal past, with its imposing towers and intricate architecture. Today, Osaka Castle is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. It's a great place to learn about Japan's history, explore its beautiful gardens, and take in the stunning views of the city. And that's it for the video, guys. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, share with your friends and family, and if you haven't yet, do subscribe. Until then, I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.